Hello, viewers. We're doing Trident Lightning. Jesus. Hold on.
Eliminated 2 at the front door.
We haven't even got. We're still in the spawn area.
I bet you didn't know you could do that, huh?
Do what? Oh no, I've done that multiple
Break
times.
that.
What do you think I'm gay?
Oh.
I am lagging. Hold on.
I only got 4 bullets in my bag.
My internet's been really bad today.
Avery, record. Record. You can send your recording to me and I can edit it in. Too bad. Alright, I'm breaching. I'm breaching. I'm breaching.
Check this side.
Breaching.
There he is! Where did I just get shot from? Can someone revive me?
Can someone revive me?
This side, that's where.
They didn't even have a clear shot at me. The door was closed.
I'm down.
We are off to a great start, aren't we?
If anything funny happens, I can edit it in and
You said that multiple times, you gay. Anyways, I'm
Oh,
going.
that's cool.
I'm at the front door.
Be quiet.
Yeah, that's where I'm going too.
Glass.
You guys go to the front door. I'll kill.
I got
Never mind.
Epstein.
That was quick.
Epstein was on the stairs.
We need to find a laptop. Oh, we need to find a laptop. I'm gonna go upstairs to see.
Someone needs to grab that USB though. I think you want to down, little fool. You ain't slick. When you get close, let's circle.
Actually, it's a green circle.
Green?
Sorry if you guys heard me unload there. I was scared.
That's nice. That's very nice. Now, would you like to be quiet?
No, I'm just gonna keep talking. Talk.
I'm down.
Are you dead?
No, I'm down.
Is he still alive?
If I was dead. Watch out right side.
Alright.
I'm moving. I'm just moving.
Are you dead?
I'm down.
Is he still alive?
No, I'm down. I
Alright.
wouldn't be talking if I was dead. Watch out right side. I'm moving.
I got him though.
Idiot.
We're in the theater. Help!
Don't bother me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
You guys are too far away. I'm upstairs. You guys are downstairs. I can't make it.
No.
Go downstairs though, so that you can get the USB. I just got it. I'm right here.
Hi, Isaac's body.
Hello. I only got 3 respawns remaining.
Who didn't take their pistol?
Me.
I have my
Me,
pistol
why?
on me.
Why didn't you take
don't
your
want it.
pistol? You might want it in case you run out of ammo.
Don't worry,
for
I'm
your
gonna die before
rifle.
then.
Right, bed is down there. Let's go middle there.
We need to look upstairs.
I was already upstairs, you guys. It's not up there.
You You didn't breach all the doors.
Yeah, but you can see the red circle. It's not up here.
Greg,
I'm good.
I'm here.
Where are you?
I'm over here. I can see you. I have my laser shining.
Ah, ladybug! A ladybug! Kill her!
Funny, haha.
I'm going down these stairs.
You do what you want, pal.
Yay!
I'm on the car floor. I'm in the garage. The car floor.
I just entered the car floor. Hello.
Laptop is in the garage.
Alma! I'm by the orange car. On the stairs. He's on the stairs.
I can't get you if I'm about to go.
I don't think there's anyone else. Come revive me.
No, I didn't get him. He's still alive. I'll stab this into your knee. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I can't revive you.
How about
All
you
I can do
stand
is
up?
mess- What were you saying? Exactly, you're dead.
Where are you
Get this
guys?
shot.
We were in the garage.
Can you get this USB? I know where the laptop is.
Got one. Oh.
No, I was just no, it's not over there. It's over here. It's in the
I see Epstein. That's funny. He's stupid, man. Hey, I'm in the garage. Where are you guys?
We don't need. Here, I'll go to the garage.
No,
Hey, I have my laser right here. My
Hi.
laser's right here. Alright, come on.
plug in the USB. Come on.
I need you. I need one of you to get that door, and I'm gonna take this door when I plug it in. Actually, I'll get that door. You guys take to the garage.
Will you just worry about plugging in the thing? Buddy.
Alright, ready?
Close, you.
Can I stab
Alright,
the
come on,
door
boys.
before this thing break it?
Ah, my hand's
don't
stuck. Okay.
do that. They'll open the door. They'll open the door. Alright, I'm getting down.
Okay, but say how many.
I got this door, I guess.
What is that?
We have 35 seconds.
Then we're good.
I have this door.
Okay. I'm gonna eat my
I'm
MRE.
really close
You
here.
know, this is my MRE. I eat magazines.
Hey, got this door, guys.
Lunch and dinner. We're in the military. Oh, so good, man. Now I only got 10 bullets in my mag. Why would you open that door?
Don't you aim your gun at me. Gun safety, Avery.
I don't have my finger on the trigger.
You do. It's right there. Look.
Either way, I wasn't
Right
pointing
there.
my gun at you. Oh, you want to see my finger on the trigger?
I'm lagging an
getting
entire lot.
Is it done? It's done. It's done. Grab the USB and
Wait,
let's
we
go.
need to take the...
Do we need the USB?
I don't even think we
I
can
won't.
take it out.
Either way, we have to
I think
go.
we should take the USB.
Ready?
I don't think we
Are you
can
guys
take it
ready?
out. I
Come
don't know
on.
what... I think we just leave.
We
I
don't
think we
need
just
it.
leave. Come on.
Go, go. down.
Isaac, come on, Avery left us. Avery,
No, I have to get
Avery,
my headphones, but
Avery,
start
you gay.
infiltrate.
Come here.
Exfiltrate. Oh, shut up. How many respawns do you have? How many respawns do you have, huh? How many respawns?
3.
I got... Okay.
Yeah,
Alright,
shut
that's
the.
I got to exfiltrate before you, Nick.
I was
okay.
reviving
Oh, okay.
Isaac. You shut up. It's me. This is me, buddy boo.
spend the night.
Get him, Isaac? No, he did not get him, in fact. I got him. He's dead, he's dead. The guy gave me...
Today is Wednesday.
I can hear the... I can hear the chop.